Hi, welcome to the VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add contact details to your YouTube channel. First, go to youtube.com and click on the profile icon. Then, click View Your Channel. Once you do, you will be directed to your channel's main page. Next, click on the About section. Here, you'll see your existing details. If there are no contact details for your channel, you must add them, especially if you're using the channel for business or promotional purposes. So, how do you add your contact details? Click on Customize Channel. Under the Profile section, scroll down until you see the option to add your contact information. Click on it and enter your contact details. For example, I'll add support@vidtechy.com. After entering the email address, click Publish. That's it. Now, we've successfully added the contact details. VidTechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up VidTechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. To verify, go back to your channel. Open a new browser tab, go to YouTube. After this, view your channel. Then, check the About section. You'll see the contact details displayed there. This allows others to easily contact you for business or other purposes. Quick tip: never use your main Gmail address for this, for example, the one associated with your YouTube account. Instead, provide a separate email address specifically for support purposes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel for more amazing content.